Are immunocompromised folks more or less equally as infectious as normal people?
This isn't a yes or no question, unfortunately. It's going to depend on the specifics of the pathogen and the host. On a very essential level, how contagious something is will relate to how much of the pathogen is present, load, and aspects of the route of transmission. In many instances, the symptoms of a pathogen will be related to the immune response, including things like fever driven by pyrogenic cytokines, lysing of cells by the immune system, inflammation, and etc.
Not only will this immune response cause you to feel generally unwell, fever, joint pain, malaise, depending on the pathogen, it will also cause things like your cough. An immunocompromised person therefore may have significantly reduced symptoms or even be entirely asymptomatic despite having a significantly higher number of pathogens in their system. How this will impact the contagiousness of something will therefore be dependent on route of transmission.
For example, a virus that generally spreads via droplets in a sneeze or cough may be less able to do so as the individual is asymptomatic. For other routes, like body fluids or blood, how symptomatic a person is will likely be much less relevant except to dictate their behavior. Another consideration, the replication cycle of a particular pathogen is also going to variously relate to the immune system.
Some pathogens may rely on the interaction with the immune system to spread throughout the body, or replicate, whilst others are going to be inhibited by it. But the main one here is route of transmission. You could probably generalize and say that generally speaking, an immunocompromised individual is likely to have a higher load of the pathogen, and to have it for longer. They are also likely to be much less symptomatic.
How contagious they are will therefore come down to how important each of those factors is for the spread of a particular pathogen.